How great is our God. Sing with me, how great is our God. And all will see how great is our God. You know, today is Sunday morning, and today is the day to be in the house of the Lord. Don't let anything stop you from going to church today. Don't let anything keep you from being all that God has called and purposed and designed for you to be. Listen, there's power when we come together. There's power in our unity. There's power when we come together and worship God in spirit and in truth. As this song that I just sang says, how great is our God. Listen, we serve an awesome God. We serve a mighty God. We serve a powerful God. And all of our needs are met through Jesus Christ, the Son of the living God. Don't forsake coming together with those that are of like faith. Don't forsake being in the house of God today, because God wants to do something incredible in your heart and in your life. God wants to do something in you that you cannot get being by yourself today. You need to come to church. You need to go to your church home, because God wants to fill you up to overflowing. Listen, if you're in the Dallas area, the Rockmart area, the Hiram area, in Yorkville, in the surrounding areas, we want to invite you to come to Full Turn Church today. Look at our website, fullturn.com. Log on, find the directions, come out. We want to see you at our church today, because we believe God wants to do something incredible in your life. We're continuing in a series called Love Bomb, and I want you to know that God wants to use you to effectively reach your world. Come out today and be a part of what God is doing. And remember, you serve an awesome God. You serve a great God, and a God that wants to use you in a powerful and an awesome way. Until tomorrow, this is Pastor Allen reminding you that God has a plan and a purpose for your life.